how to activate your vanilla gift card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can activate your vanilla gift card. Now if you have got a physical gift card of vanilla, what you can do is you'll get a toll-free number that's located at the back of your card. You can call them and ask them to activate it. However, if you want to do it online, what you can do is you can simply open up your browser on your device. Once on your browser, you want to search in at the search bar. All you have to do is you'll have to type in balance.vanillagift.com. So you'll have to type in balance.vanillagift.com at your search bar and then go for it. You'll get to the page where it'll ask you to enter in your card number, month and expiration date, your CVV code there, and then tap on continue and go through a little prompts. Then you'll be able to activate your card. So this way you can activate your vanilla gift card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.